everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Dr. Asmi. I'm a board certified dermatologist and an Ayurvedic nutritionist. And today's topic is all about anti-aging. And we're gonna play with some topical anti-aging serums so you will be able to understand and learn how to preserve a youthful look on your skin. For skincare, it's all about collagen. So collagen is that key protein that helps your skin and body look young. Collagen is, you can think of it as the scaffolding underneath the skin that helps the skin be elastic, firm, smooth, and collagen does begin to degrade because of UV radiation, the sunlight, and because of pollution and toxins in the air that we breathe. So as we get older, because we're continuously exposed to more UV radiation and pollution, and also things we eat internally, so inflammation from excessive alcohol, from smoking, from eating a lot of sugar, which creates AGEs, or accelerated glycation end products, that degrade your collagen internally. So all these things are the reason why as we get older, our skin doesn't look as youthful and supple and firm. That's because we lose collagen. So when it comes to skincare, the key is you want to help rebuild that collagen. So of course, prevention is the best medicine. So to prevent collagen degradation from UV radiation, the best thing to use is sunscreen. So this is an example, Tizo sunscreen. You want to look for a physical blocker because chemical blockers, they do get into your bloodstream and you could get all kinds of endocrine disruption. So avobenzone, oxybenzone, anything that has ozone in the ingredients, that's a chemical sunscreen. And studies are finding that that can get into your blood. So what do? You want a physical sunscreen. These are your sunscreens that have zinc or titanium. So there's a good number of them out there. This is one that I recently got. Here, I'll tag it here. It's Tizo, and it's non-tinted SPF 40. I wouldn't recommend getting any SPF less than 40. And it's cream-based. It's really soft. Now the thing with physical blockers is it can leave this kind of white sheen. So if you are concerned about that, I would recommend getting a sunscreen that is tinted. That way you're getting the benefit of physical blockers, the zinc or titanium, but you don't get that white sheen. So yeah, sunscreen, one of the best things to prevent early signs of skin aging and preserve a healthy look to your skin. Now, the second thing is vitamin C. Everybody who lives in a city should be using vitamin C because sunscreen is great for blocking UV radiation. Vitamin C helps block pollution, and there's so much pollution in cities. So vitamin C is an antioxidant, and it helps with protecting the skin from pollution. So after you wash your face, this should be the first thing you put on. And it usually comes in a serum. And then you just rub it in your hands to warm it up, and then just pat it on your skin. So vitamin C, this is Replenix, and this is the one that I use every morning. I have linked it below. Right there. So it's called the Vitamin C Pro Collagen Serum. And that's because vitamin C is also used to build collagen in your skin. So not only are you protecting against what can disrupt your current collagen, but with a vitamin C serum, you're also helping to use building blocks to create new collagen. And another benefit of using a vitamin C serum is it helps with brightening the skin. So if you don't have a vitamin C serum, get one. All right, now those are good basics for prevention. Now let's talk about repair. So retinol, this is really good for cell turnover and building collagen. So what retinol does, which is it's a topical vitamin A, is it helps increase cell turnover. So basically it's a chemical exfoliant. And this is amazing for acne, blemishes, discoloration. It just helps get new skin going. Then vitamin A also helps build collagen. So that's why once you use this, you'll start to notice that your fine lines get a little bit smoother, your skin starts to feel a little bit firmer. This is excellent for anti-aging. Now, the real key in skincare treatments that I'm going to be talking about today is in prevention. So it helps prevent, but it also helps if you have very mild signs, but it won't make you 10 years younger. So just keep that in mind in terms of expectations. But if you do get a treatment like Botox, filler, anything like that, laser, then using these skincare products will help sustain those results. So good to know. So ROC is a great Amazon brand for retinol, and it comes in these little capsules. Here's this snap. And then you get this kind of gooey serum. Now you only want to use this at night, not because sun has a bad interaction with it, which a lot of people think, but because the sun deactivates it, so it won't work. So use it at nighttime. If you're new to your retinol, then I would start off doing it 2 times a week for a couple of weeks, then go up to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks, and slowly build up until you're doing it 5 or 6 times a week. All right, now my favorite anti-aging treatment is the TNS Advanced Serum. This is a unique product because it's a growth factor. It has growth factor and peptides. These are ingredients that help stimulate new collagen, and it works really well. So this particular product, it is on the pricey side, I'm not gonna lie, but it has a lot of research and clinical trials to back it up. So this is one of the few products that will help with sagging skin. So you will see some difference, like noticeable difference after 2 weeks of use, but you'll notice even more improvement after the clinical trial showed 24 weeks. And I can attest to this. I started using this now maybe like 3 months ago for wedding prep because I'm getting married in 6 weeks. And I definitely noticed a difference. My skin was a lot softer, a lot smoother, and it comes in this pump, and there's 2 different ingredients. So it's a dual chamber, and when you pump this out, you get both of them out, and then you mix it in your hand, and then you just apply. So yes, love this product. It's pricey, but there's a lot of data behind it, so highly recommend. And yes, you can use all of these at the same time. I do, and like I said, my skin now in my 30s is way better than my skin in my 20s. And a lot of that is the work that I did, both externally and internally.